Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Keisha. Welcome to NTI Day 28. We just have today and 2 more days left in this NTI packet. We will be all finished for the school year. All right, let's go ahead and take a look and see what our NTI practice is for today. All right, for today on day 28, we are going to be playing basketball. And each time you shoot, practice a target word 5 times. Now, if you don't have a basketball or a basketball hoop, you could always make do with paper wad or maybe a rolled up pair of socks. And you can throw those into like a laundry basket or maybe an empty little trash can, and you can play basketball that way. So, for our practice today, of course, I'm not going to go outside and play basketball, but we can pretend that we are going to do that in here, just like I mentioned. So, I've got a pair of socks over there, and of course, I've got my basket, and we can do that here. Okay? So first thing we're going to do is use our sound dice, and we're going to see what sound we're going to work on today. So got it here in my hand, and I'm going to drop it into the basket, and we're going to see what sound we practice today. So here we go. All right. So we have it's kind of erased, the J sound. The J sound. Now, we talked about the J last week. Does anybody remember what you have to do to make the J sound? The J. Where do you put your tongue to make the J? The lighting in this room is not quite as good. Well, you can't see my mouth as well. But to make the J sound, you start with your tongue where? Can you see my tongue? You put it on the back of your teeth, like you're going to say the D, like you're going to say D. So you start like a D. Can you do that? Okay. And then you move your tongue back. J, J, J. So you pop it off. You pop it off the back of your teeth. You start like a D, J, J. And then your tongue kind of bunches into the middle of your mouth, not in the back, like your K or your G, into the middle, and the air goes over the top of your tongue. So, J, J. Now, you can see that we do use our lips. And what are they doing? They're kind of rounding, and we need our teeth to put our tongue on. So we use our lips, our teeth, and our tongue to make the J sound. So round your lips, teeth kind of apart, or maybe barely touching, and then your tongue goes onto the back of your teeth like you're going to start with the D sound. And then you kind of start with the D and you bunch just into the middle of your mouth. J, J, J. And so the air comes right over the top. J. Now make sure that your air is not coming out the side like this. G, G, G. Then you're letting the air come out the side, and we don't want to hear that. We don't want to hear G, G. that makes it kind of slushy. You want to make sure the air is going over the top of our tongue. J, 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 and coming through the front of your teeth. All right, so I'm going to get those socks real quick. I thought I had them right here and I didn't. So here's my basketball. Here's my goal. So what I would do is take my socks and I would throw them in the basket, just like that. And I'm playing basketball. Now, you don't want to do like I am and just sit right beside it and do it. You can move it across the room. You can have it up high on a shelf, or you can put it down low, or you could have your speech helper move it around, and maybe you could try to get it while they're moving it. Maybe they could be tricky on you, or you can be tricky on them. But the goal is that when you hit the basket, that you, or every time you shoot, you practice your words. So we said that we're going to practice the J sound. So Miss Keisha has shot her socks J. So let's take a look at the list for J and see what word we can practice 5 times for J. Or we could do 5 J words. Oh, that's the wrong. Whoops, I don't know how I managed to do that. So, J. Where are you, J? Like being Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? There he is. J. The jumping sound. J. All right, so here's what I want to do. The first one is jump. So we're going to get our tongue on the back of those teeth, like we're going to say D. And we're going to say jump. 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 And jump. Now let's do one in the middle. And the first one I see that happens in the middle is that word agent. A-G-E-N-T. Agent. Let's say it 5 times. Are you ready? Agent. 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 One more. Agent. Are you making sure the air is coming out the front and not the sides? Now let's do it at the end. And I see the word age. A-G-E. Let's do that word 5 times. Age. 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 One more. Age. Awesome. Good job. Now remember, with the J sound, you round your lips. Your teeth are put together, but not on top of each other, slightly touching. And your tongue starts out on the back of those teeth like a D sound. J. Good job. All right, let's use our dice and see what we're going to work on next. Here I have it. And drop it into our basket. Oh, it landed on the J again. We don't want to do it again. Let's try another one. Really? It landed on the J again. Ah, finally a different one. This time it's the snake sound, the S. All right, who can remember what we do to make the snaky sound? Well, it is a sound that we use our lips because it's a smiling sound. So our lips have to go back and make a smile. And then what do we do with our teeth? We put them together. And where does our tongue go? That's right. Our tongue stays behind our teeth. We put our tongue down behind our bottom teeth. The important thing is that the air goes over the top of our tongue, not over the sides of our tongue, because then it sounds like this. Ooh, that's a slushy S, and we don't want slushy S's. And we want to make sure our tongue stays behind our teeth so that we don't have this. Then we make the TH for S, and we don't want that either. So, again, smile, teeth together, tongue behind your teeth. Make sure your air is coming through the front of your teeth, not the sides. All right, let's shoot the socks. Oh, let me get the dice out first. Here we go. Woo! Did you score? Miss Keisha did. Woo! Oh, I missed that time. I don't even know where they went. I lost my socks. Oh, I missed again. Maybe you're better at sock basketball than I am. All right, let's take a look at our S list. Now, do you remember what the twin sound to S is? It's the Z. So when we see Z, we know S is coming soon. Oh, there's Z, so there's S. The snake sound. So we're going to do 3 words 5 times. And we want to do 1 at the beginning, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the end. And the first word on the list is sit. So our smile, teeth together, tongue back. Sit. 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 And sit. Now, in the middle, we have the word insect, which means bug. All right, INSECT. Ready? Insect. 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 And insect. And last is voice. 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 Ready? Voice. 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 And last, voice. Did you do it? It didn't sound like voice or insect. I hope not. I hope there weren't any slushy S's or any voices. Did you let your snake out of the gate? Did your tongue come through your teeth? I sure hope not. All right. Back to our sock basketball game. First, silly Miss Keisha, we have to see what we're going to do next. Do you know what it landed on again? That J sound. That must be the sound of the day. Seriously, it did it again. Now the S again. We just need one more. And the S again. Crazy dice. Finally, something different. This time we have the V. Now, let's talk about V. What do we do with V? Do we use our lips? We do. It's just like the F sound. We have to have that bottom lip to do what? Put our top teeth on the bottom lip. Do we use our tongue? No way, Jose. We just need our top teeth to go on our bottom lip. Now, we don't blow air like we do with the S sound, but we have to do something here. And what is it? Whoops. What is it down here that we use? Do you remember? Our voice. That's right. So we go, Do you feel your voice when you touch your neck? Cool, isn't it? All right, so now it's when we shoot our socks. Shoot our socks. We're playing basketball. Maybe somebody's moving it around for you and you're having a hard time. But I hit it this time. All right, let's take a look at our list. Remember, the twin to the is the f. I think it's this. Oh, right there it is. Didn't have to go very far that time. All right. I think we should do the first word on the list, and it is a video. And I think we did that word the other day, but let's do it again anyway. So, video. Top teeth, bottom lip, video. Video. Video and video. Now for our middle word, let's do driver. Now, if you're an R kid, this word has 2 R's. So make sure you're getting them in there. So it's driver. 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 And driver. And for our ending V word, let's do believe. Now that one has our L sound in it. Are you ready? Believe. 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 Good job. All right. So you can practice some more today. And remember to do the sounds that are your sounds, not just the sounds Miss Keisha did today. Have some more fun with your sock basketball. And if you have a real basketball goal, you can go outside and practice some more. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.